Welcome to Not David Zimaleta. In today's video, we're going to take this headlight here and that other one, and we're gonna make them look nice and shiny. I actually bought this at a junkyard, and this is for my Mazda RX-8. I want them to look very nice. So here's what we're gonna do. Let me show you what they're gonna look like. See that? And now let's begin and start working. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 800, 1200, 2000. Yeah, so you see some of these that are gray. Like gray is like what you're normally used to, being like a wet sand, but this is a wet sand type of paper here. So here's 1200 here. So here's 2000. This is for wet sanding. And here's 800. This piece of wood weighs a lot, so I screwed basically some screws over here like that, and then some that went into the fence. So they're holding a lot better than me trying to hold them. So this is going to make my job a whole lot easier, because I can't really do what I want to do because I need to hold the drill with two hands to have a proper alignment when I'm actually doing this, which is highly important. So this is 1200. So what this does, now we're getting rid of all the shaving and stuff from the 1200. I mean from the 800 with the 1200. So as you can see, that looks nicer. A little bit less swirl marks than this 800. And of course, if you don't have this thing screwed into something like a car, you need like a jig like this, because if it's moving around, you can't do it properly.
Oops, that came off.
Just need to have nice even movements, and you see like how I'm tilting my hand because the light is curved. So you want to go with the curve. You don't want to put it on the edge. You're gonna burn it, and you don't want to do it slow because it's gonna heat up the plastic. It's gonna burn it. And you always want to do it on the lowest setting. This is actually what I'm doing. There's that. So now we're gonna change up to 2000.
Right here. Now remove that.
Now whenever you have a proper setup, man, the work goes a lot smoother and you get more work done. It's a lot easier on you and you'll do a better job. So you want to wet the light again. By the way, spray cans just work so much better than you trying to put it with anything else.
Seems to me like it's just not even.
Just gonna go over it twice because this is the last step, and we gotta polish it.
Yeah, looks a lot better.
Alright, so now is the last step, and we're gonna put it on the highest setting, and let's see what kind of work it's gonna do.
Oh, that's too much. I need to see this, it works amazing.
I mean, guys, can you see the difference? Like, you could already see the difference. So now compare how this one looks wet and before we actually really start polishing. You could see the clear difference. Like this is already like so much clearer. So we're gonna polish this light again. I mean this one, we're just getting started. So look at that, already looks so much better. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? It really didn't take too long, did it? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this foam that is wet, and we're gonna replace it with this dry one here. And we're gonna apply some compound and give it one more go for each light, and we should be good. Yeah, looking much better. You know, usually if you go to some places to get your lights done, I mean, it's probably going to be between $50 and $100. You know, we have about $100 worth of material. So once you invest in your own stuff, not only that you could do your own lights, you could do lights for somebody else, and you could continue doing all your other cars. So it's well worth it to always invest in your own tools and equipment. It looks amazing. Well guys, you know what they say, picture says 1,000 words. So I think these things look very nice. So time to basically snap a picture of them, which you guys have seen in the beginning of the video. And this also means, hey, it is done. Write in the comments below, tell me what you guys think. If you're trying to look for a very good deal on supplies, guys, I've been shopping around to try to get the best deal on mine from Amazon. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for everything that you're gonna need to do this yourself. So do feel free to check those out. Thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Please hit a like in this video if you liked it. And see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.